Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Vandeham Sri Guru Sri Juta Padakamalam.
Cessation of material existence does not mean entering into an existence of void, which is only a myth.
So, cessation of material existence does not mean void, because I am not void. I am spirit soul. If I was void, how my development of this body has taken place? I am not void. I am the seed. Just like you sow a seed on the ground, it grows into large tree or plant. Similarly, the seed is given by the father in the womb of the mother, and it grows like a tree. And this what is that? Where is voidness? Ahanga bija pada pita. In the 14th chapter you will see that originally the seed was given by Krishna in the womb of this material nature, and so many living entities are coming out. You cannot argue against it, because actually the generation is the same process as in our practical life. You see, the father gives the seed in the womb of the mother, and the mother nourishes the child to grow boy. So there is no question of void. If the seed would have been void, how this nice body has developed? So Nirvana means not to accept any more material body. Don't try to make it void. That is another nonsense. Void, you are not void. Void means to make void this material body. This full of miserable conditional body. Just try to grow your spiritual body. That is possible. Jadgatyana nivattanti tadhyama paramangoma. These things are there. So, we have to become very intelligent to understand what is the problem of life. How should we use this valuable human form of life? Unfortunately, this education is practically nil all over the world. Perhaps this is the only institution who is presenting the actual problems of life and actual value of life. This Krishna consciousness movement. God.
There is no void anywhere within the creation of the Lord. Rather, the cessation of material...
Void, you see, anywhere. Even within the ground, within the earth, you will not see anything void. On the earth, there is no void. In the sky, there is no void. In the air, there is no void. In the water, there is no void. In the fire, there is no void. Then where do you find void? Where do you find void? This void philosophy is another illusion. There cannot be any void. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna,